Of course, para sa ating mga office girlies, specifically sa mga advertising girlies, hello, mga nakalimutan na magpapirma ng CE, nagpa-pre-prod meeting na.
Ay.
Diba?
Oo.
Nag-ingress na pero wala pa ring CE. So, salary deduction.
Alam mo, nakarelate ako dun sa sinabi mong yan
Oo.
because when I was in advertising, medyo makakalimutin din po ang lola
Correct.
ninyo. And then for me, syempre, yung nakakalimutan ko yung phone ko,
Correct.
kung saan ko nilagay. Tapos, di ba, Mari, meron pa yung pupunta ka sa kusina. Yung parang maglalakad ka ng ganyan. Tapos parang, may kukunin ba ako? Ay, wala pala.
It's giving, where am I?
It's giving multiverse, where am I?
Diba? It's giving, where am I? Who am I? And more than anything, why am I?
Kaya dahil dyan, we got the memo, di ba? Nakuha po namin ng memo kasi we want to function.
Yes. Kaya maraming salamat sa Memo Plus Gold for giving us what our brains need. So kapag 2 MB na lang ang data mo sa telepono mo, syempre magpa-load ka na. So ganun rin, kung yung utak mo ay alam mo namang naghihikahos na at hindi na kaya mag-English, okay, wag ka na magmaganda sis.
Oo nga, Mare. Tsaka halimbawa na lang, kung lalo na sa mga senior high dyan, I am sure marami sa inyo nagkukumahog, no? Para mag-take
Gusto
ng
ko na inasumo na agad na may problema yung kabataan.
Hindi, meron talagang educational crisis because pinagkamalan mong Malabon ang Malacanang. Kaya kailangan nyo uminom ng Memo Plus Gold.
Correct, dahil nga ang Memo Plus Gold has been around for almost 20 years na ang track record ay ang pagpapatalas ng isip using natural Bacopa Monnieri. Napakabading, by the way. This natural supplement is clinically proven to enhance short and long-term memory, improve focus, reduce stress, at gumaling kang magpanggap na marami kang alam.
Magaling magpanggap na marami kang alam, pero hindi ka pathological liar.
Correct.
Diba? Or if i-fake mo yung faint mo. Chos!
Correct, pero kailangan natin pag-usapan yung Bacopa Monnieri.
Oh yeah,
First of all,
indeed.
Memo Plus Gold. Sa sino man nagtimpla nito, I'm pretty sure bakla ka.
Pero alam mo, ang ganda ng pangalang Bacopa Monnieri. Drag queen name siya,
Drag
no?
queen name siya. It's a drug that can be a drag name.
And it makes you a queen of knowledge.
Diba? And a queen of lying. Like you know it all.
Alam mo, ang ganda nung sinabi mo kasi it's giving bida kontra bida, pero sharp and cunning.
Cunning
Oh my God.
linguists.
Cunning linguists.
I've always wanted to be a cunning linguist, but I went to eggplant territory.
Eggplant territory, it's giving Vine.
It's giving, how are you? I'm fine.
Diba? I'm Vine, thank you.
Yes.
Mga ganun, no? Vine, no?
Ang luma.
It's giving luma, pasensya na, pero don't worry, updated po ang aming mga pag-iisip.
Correct.
With Memo Plus
Siguro
Gold.
sabi nung kliyente sa Memo Plus Gold, wow, sila talaga yung pinag-endorse natin.
Oo nga eh.
Yung tab sila laging nakabukas. Yes, this is the new
Yes.
face of capitalism.
This is the new face because you don't settle for less.
You settle
Diba?
for even less.
Yes. At eto lang mapaalalahanan lang namin kayo parehas that stress and mental overload, alam mo, hindi dapat yan ang titigil sa atin from being our best selves.
Kaya whoever you are, wherever you are, kung ikaw ay isang estudyante na nagre-review for an exam,
Correct.
or ikaw ay isang nanay na gumagawa ng kodiko ng anak niya para meron siyang pangbaon sa exam, 'di ba? Kailangan mo mag-Memo Plus Gold because again, cheating starts in the home.
Cheating starts in the home and therefore the university and college enriches cheating
Yes.
because of your classmate.
Yes.
Charing. And
Sabi nga ni Britney Spears, cheat me baby one more time.
dahil dyan, standing on 40 years of research, Memo Plus Gold is really giving farm to table.
Giving Lyda Magtalas.
Oh my God. It's
Giving
giving
Linda Walker.
Linda Walker,
Oh my
indeed.
God, Linda Walker in the house, whoever you are, wherever you are. I don't know.
I don't know. We don't know.
Yeah, pero again, pag nag-Memo Plus Gold kayo, from 2 MB to 1 TB. Pero Memo Plus Gold, maraming salamat.
Thank you, Memo Plus Gold. Thank you, MPG.